If you have a washing machine in your house and you don't have this in your laundry room, then I'm about to change your life. This, no joke, makes my washing machine look and smell brand spanking new. It's so easy. You just grab one of these tablets out, open it up, you toss it into your washing machine, turn it on to a normal setting, put the heat on high, and run it through a cycle. And when it's done, it's no longer going to have that musty smell. It's going to be nice and shiny on the inside. Any mold on the ring, you can literally just wipe right off. And it's a year supply. I use one of these every 2 weeks. It comes with 24 of them. That will literally last you an entire year. And you can get it right now on the TikTok shop for less than $20. But don't just put it in your cart and wait. You better grab it right now because it'll go back to normal price, which is almost 40. Get it while